This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Stinger key fob. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. We will cover the few simple tools you will need, the steps to carefully separate the fob's casing, and how to correctly replace the internal battery. You will find that this task takes only a few minutes to complete, ensuring your key fob is fully functional once more. The first step is to access the emergency key hidden within your key fob. Look for a small, often silver, release button located on the side or bottom of the fob. Press and hold this button down. While holding it, gently pull the physical key out from the bottom of the fob. This emergency key is crucial for the next step and also allows manual entry if your fob battery ever dies. Now, with the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot or tab inside the opening. Take a small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into this designated space. Once the screwdriver is in place, gently twist it as if turning a lock. You will hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work your way around the seam if needed, prying it open carefully. With the key fob open, you will see the round battery. This is typically a CR 2032 coin battery. Gently pry out the old battery and insert a new one, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Once the new battery is in, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.